What legal steps suspend a driver's license for child support? Imagine this. You get a letter from the Child Support Enforcement Agency, and suddenly your driving privileges are at risk. How does that happen? Well, all 50 states use license suspension to help enforce child support payments. The process kicks in when a non-custodial parent falls behind on court-ordered support. Usually, if you're more than 90 days late, the state can start the suspension process. But remember, the exact time frame can vary from state to state, so check your local laws. The first step is notification. The Child Support Agency or court sends you a formal notice that you're delinquent. This notice will include the amount owed, the consequences of non-payment, and how you can fix the issue. It's important to read this carefully and respond promptly. Ignoring notices can lead to suspension without warning. Next, you typically get a chance to respond or request a hearing. This is your opportunity to explain any financial hardship or contest the support amount. You can ask for a hearing to present your case. This step is essential because it ensures you have a fair chance to explain your situation before your license is suspended. If you do not pay or fail to arrange a payment plan after the hearing, the state issues an order to the Department of Motor Vehicles or the relevant licensing authority. This order directs them to suspend your driver's license. The suspension usually happens within a set period, often around 60 days after the notice, but it depends on state laws. Once your license is suspended, you cannot legally drive until you resolve the issue. To get your license back, you must pay the overdue child support, enter into a payment plan, or meet other court requirements. Sometimes there are reinstatement fees. These can range from $50 to $200 depending on the state. Avoid common mistakes like ignoring notices or not requesting a hearing. If you're facing suspension, it's better to communicate with the enforcement agency. Making partial payments or setting up a payment plan can also prevent suspension. Remember, the suspension may affect more than just your driving privileges. It can impact your employment if you need a license for work or recreational activities. After you've paid what you owe or fulfilled court conditions, you need to take steps to reinstate your license. This often involves paying fees and submitting proof of payment or compliance. Acting quickly is key to getting back on the road. In summary, the legal steps to suspend a driver's license for child support involve notification, a chance to respond, issuance of a suspension order, enforcement of the suspension, and finally, reinstatement after compliance. Staying informed, responding promptly, and communicating with enforcement agencies can help you avoid or minimize license suspension issues.